Hi everyone, so I really want to share with you this hamper that I'm offering leading up to Black Friday so you can benefit from injecting your personal relationships with love and also personal healing with Reiki and crystal therapy, and then really get you thinking about creativity with nature as well. This is because I have created this year 6 courses on Udemy, and 3 of them are about crystals and energy healing, and 2 of them are about relationships, and 1 is pottery, clay and nature. So the hamper is designed in those 3 subcategories, if you like. So I'm going to take you through this hamper now so you can enter the prize draw. So the first item is my Gathering Insights book, which is on Amazon at $9.99, but you're getting this for free. I will pop a little message inside and sign it. And I really encourage you to use this book on any long car journeys, around the campfire, around the kitchen table with friends, but it's particularly good for you and your personal relationship. You will discover things about the people you love, your partner, your children, your family, that you never realised. When I was developing this book, I tested it out and used it with my family, my 2 teenagers who wouldn't talk across the table, and I discovered astonishing things about them that I never knew, including my father as well. So it's designed so that you have 52 questions. You can do a question once a week for a whole year, or work through it much quicker if you're away around the campsite, camping or on holiday. And at the back of the book you also have about 10 chapters of really interesting information on the chakras, energy healing, the power of words, body language, all of those sort of things. So it's a really lovely little book full of lots of little gems of wisdom and inspiration, and you will certainly gather lots of insights about your loved ones, particularly your partner, and that's why I've popped it in there, for you to help you grow that connection between you and your loved one. The other thing that will help you connect with your loved one even further is by sending lovely messages in greeting cards or gift cards. Now this pack here has got 5 different designs in it. It's from my passion collection of salsa and tango dancing cards and paintings, but converted into greeting cards. I'm going to show you the 5 designs you're going to get in this pack. So the one on the front is the kiss. You're also going to get the connection, which is that one there. You're also going to get the embrace, which is a lovely black and white monochrome painting. You'll get the rapture, which is a really popular design, and you'll get the moment. Now all 5 of these are in that pack for you to send, and as you can see they're really lovely thick card quality with my logo on the back. Blank inside, so you can leave your own message. Perfect for Valentine's Day, but really any time of year you want to send a lovely message to your loved one. A little tip: if you don't want to use them as greeting cards, you can actually frame them, and they look wonderful as a set on a wall. So that's a really cheap way of benefiting from these paintings, you know, at a obviously free for yourselves. So that's a really lovely way to use them as well. So moving on, still in the relationship theme here and building love, I've slipped in a unique porcelain leaf coaster made using the impression from a real leaf, and with the words "You are perfect and loved" on the front. You've got green felt on the back, so nice to place on a glass table or wooden table, so you can gift this to your loved one. And so you're not missing out yourself, you also get one as well, a porcelain tulip leaf coaster made using the impression from a real tulip leaf, so really lovely. The final thing in this love section is a lovely jasper heart, which has been infused with Reiki. I'm a Reiki master and a crystal therapist, so I use these crystals all the time to heal, and this can heal your relationship or heal anyone that carries the stone. You can wear it on yourself, you can pop it in your pockets, have it in a handbag, sleep with it under your pillow, and it really will bring harmony, contentment and love, because that is what it has been infused with, using sacred Reiki symbols that I was attuned with when I first learnt Reiki over 15 years ago. So that's lovely as well. So moving on to the middle section now, which relates to my crystal courses on Udemy, my quantum crystal healing collection of courses. There are 3 courses for you to discover, and I'm going to be gifting you this really, really lovely set of unique jewellery. So these earrings and this pendant have been made using mother of pearl shells collected by myself from beaches in the Algarve in Portugal, and I've inserted labradorite stones inside. Labradorite is an amazing stone. It's amazing for protecting your energy, balance all 7 chakras. It works on all the chakras, and it actually enhances psychic and intuitive ability. So a wonderful set of jewelry there. Really, really beautiful. The light catches the mother of pearl shells really, really beautifully, and the earrings are really sparkly and pretty when you hold them up to the light. So that's a really special gift inside this hamper. You'll also be getting a set of ceramic jewellery in the shape of hearts, which have been inscribed with the Reiki symbols. So this one in the middle is the pendant, inscribed with the love harmony symbol, and then you have a pair of matching earrings with the power and love symbol as well. So that's a really lovely gift, or you can have it for yourself and enjoy benefiting from that lovely Reiki energy when you wear that jewellery. Moving on to the very final bit, so linking to my newest course on Udemy, which is my Pottery, Clay and Leaves course, I wanted to give you a sense of how wonderful it is to use nature and real leaves in clay and ceramics. This is a set of my leaf coasters from my Ceramics Inspired by Nature business, and you will be getting a leaf coaster just like these. So there's a fig leaf in this pack, just like this one. There's also a couple of hornbeam leaves, and the real leaves have been used to impress in the clay, so each one is unique. And you have a hydrangea leaf in there, so 4 of these unique coasters. So I really hope you enjoy using those for your glass of wine, your hot chocolate, your tea or coffee, and you can use them with your loved one and your family, or gift them even. And the reason that was important to me was the course that I produce, the Pottery, Clay, Leaves course on Udemy, shows you how to make a sharing platter created using the impression from a real leaf like this Fatsia japonica leaf. And I take you through every step of the way how to create with clay, which glazes to use, the firings, the decoration techniques, everything you need to know over 4 hours of demonstrations. So it's really fun to do with family as well and children. So have a look at that course. So basically, in order to benefit from this hamper, which is worth over £150, all you need to do is buy one of my Udemy courses, and I'm going to be sending you promotional codes for Black Friday, so you get them at the best price possible, and then I benefit from the commission, which is really wonderful. So buy one of my courses and your name gets entered into a hat. Buy all of my courses, all 6, and your name gets entered 6 times. If you're already enrolled on all of my courses, you can still enter by sharing this promotional email or the details below in this video. So all the links, you can share those, the promotional code links and this prize draw link with your friends and family. All you need to do is just send me a little screenshot of the email showing that you've sent it to 5 people. And when you send it to 5 people, your name will get entered once into the hat. If you send it to 10 people, your name will get entered twice. So I think you get the idea. The more things you do, the more chance you have of winning this hamper. I will be doing the draw on Saturday the 28th of November. So from today until Friday the 27th, which is Black Friday, I'll be taking a really keen eye on looking at all those student enrolments on my courses and putting those names in the hat, and also anyone that emails or messages me with evidence of sharing the promotional codes, I will also put your name in the hat as well. And yes, I really look forward to seeing who wins, and whoever does win, I will post it to you wherever you are in the world so you can benefit from this lovely hamper. So I do wish you lots of luck, and I hope you enjoy looking at my courses as well.